time for a product review. And with everyone in the world right now working from home, there's a sentence that you never thought you'd ever hear in your lifetime. I find myself, as many others do, questioning their workspace somewhat. So I thought for this video, it would be a great opportunity to look at one of the best desks that I have come across in my hours of searching for a really great quality but affordable electric desk. Because most of the options that were available whilst looking around were either super expensive or super poor quality that wouldn't really support much weight. And what I went with in the end was this desk from a UK company called Ergo Desks, and this is the Autonomy Pro model, which currently comes in at $475 excluding VAT. Though they do also have an even more affordable model, the Liberty, at $375 if you're looking for something at that slightly lower price point. Now, if those prices do float your boat, then there is a link in the description down below that will get you a further £10 off your first order. This isn't a sponsored video, however much I'd love to do a sponsored video, but I did reach out to Ergo Desks and say that I'd like to make a video about their desk and to see if I can get any form of discount or offer for people that watch this video, and that's what they came up with, £10 off of your first order. So thanks Ergo Desks. So this is the Ergo Desk Autonomy Pro with a top of 180 centimeters wide by 80 centimeters deep. It's got a walnut top on, a white frame, and this is the one that comes in at that $475 price point for a great quality desk. And when I say quality, I mean one that it's a good finish, it's sturdy, it doesn't wobble much at height, and importantly, it can take an immense amount of weight from screens, laptops, and all those heavy things you get at work. As pretty much any desk is, it's available in multiple finishes with all sorts of sizes. You can go as small as, I think it's 120 centimeters width and 80 centimeters deep, right up to my 180 centimeters width by 80 centimeters deep. And then weight-wise, this can hold an incredible 130 kilograms, which means it could hold 7, nearly 8 of those Dell 49-inch ultra-wide monitors on it. 8 of those, or 2 of me. What I'm getting at here is that this could easily hold your screen, additional screens, your laptop, your dock, your monitor arms, books, and all of those other miscellaneous bits that you need for a proper desk. So it's as capable as they come. But today I do use this as a secondary desk, either for a working space like this, shooting videos, or for when I'm on a video call and I want to stand up, stretch the legs and just get the blood flowing. In terms of features, as most electric desks do, it has a programmable control that lets you go to a home position, which is the seated standard position, or you can set 2 heights that you can set to your own preference, as well as being able to manually adjust those up and down whenever you like. The desk extends to 130 centimeters tall, which is really tall, and even at its highest position, there is minimal wobble. And well, after 2 years of ownership, there's nothing really of note to say about this desk. Certainly no frustrations, and I've even dismantled it and moved it and put it back together again, and it still works just great. I am now so used to being able to go from sitting to standing at the touch of a button, and I find it particularly great for those phone or video calls when I find that just standing up helps me think better. The only comment I would say is around cable management. First of all, what you want to do is go to Amazon, buy a 12-way power strip, which you can then screw into the bottom of the desk. That makes your life much easier. And whilst you are there, also look at a cable tray as well. You can get one from Ergo Desk direct if you want that clean and OEM look. But personally, I found £50 was a fairly pricey price to pay when you can get much more affordable options. I'll put the links down below for both of those as well. With that said, if you are now finding yourself either permanently or semi-permanently working from home, then might be worth considering something like this. The fact it's electric means you won't get stuck in what might also be a pretty poor dining room chair or IKEA chair all day, but that's a whole other video for another time. It's great for a healthy body, and it's also great for the end of the day and when you have young kids who generally come in and just touch everything on your desk, because you can just tap one button and everything is instantly out of their meddling reach. Neat, hey? Anyway, if you want to buy your very own, then click the link below to get £10 off of your first order, and maybe speak to your boss. See if they'll cover the cost of the desk for you. That'll be handy. Once more, this isn't a sponsored video. They're not paying me to say any of this stuff. I am just running out of ideas of things to talk about. So thought we should all watch a video about a desk, because it's a desk and it moves. Yeah. Please do hit that like button if you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel by clicking the link down below, and then hit the bell icon next to it to be notified when we post new videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.